to sing?
These are the days of Elijah, declaring the word of Yah. And these are the days of your servant Moshe, righteousness being restored. And though these are days of great trials, of famine and darkness and sword, still we are the voice in the desert crying, prepare you a way for you. Behold, he comes, riding on the clouds, shining like the sun at the trumpet's call. So lift your voice, it's a year of jubilee, and out of Zion's hill salvation comes. And these are the days of Ezekiel, the dry bones becoming as flesh. And these are the days of your servant David, building the temple of praise. And these are the days of the harvest, the fields are as white in the world. We are your laborers in your vineyard, declaring the word of Yah. There's no one like Yah, 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 there's no one like Yah. Get up and rise and shine. This is your time, so get up and walk now. Prepare you a way for Yah. Your light is the life of Yeshua. Your light is the life of Yeshua. Your light is the life of Yeshua. Your light will burn bright, so get up and sing Yah's praises and raise up his voice in this realm and gather up in the flesh. Began to form and raise you up, the one you met like never before. Your light is the life of Yeshua. Your light is the life of Yeshua. Rise and shine. Get